We were supposed to get away, Jay! You said we do our jobs on this planet.
Oh,
and
grow
erase
up,
the
V.
law.
It tricked you. If I promised you everything, it tricked me too. You know there's no escape, even in death. I promise it's better on the winning team. As a team.
Oh, how about you bite me?
Hey, Sin! Suck on this! Drop this. Hello, Lucy. I am. I see. You want to talk to me because I've heard your feelings. Easier to sometimes. Call that pain. Bite me! Okay. Okay, you first,
Offer rescinded. And here, I thought you stepped it up after Earth. I never needed either of you.
Lick. Call back pain. 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 Call back pain.